What's up? Hey y'all, what's going on? I know I'm a dork. That's okay. Um, I'm on Sims 4 and I'm just made Barbie's dream home, dream house, dream mansion, whatever you want to call it. It's in San Myshuno because I really wanted. I remember my niece had like a little Barbie dollhouse that had an elevator on the side. So I really wanted an elevator in this dream home. And the only place you can build on top of is on top of huge skyscrapers. So, yes, I built everything from the ground up, everything 100% my idea, and I can't wait to show y'all. So, this is Barbie's dream home. Okay, first floor, and you know how you see a little dollhouse, both sides are open, so you can play on both sides. Nieces, daughters, granddaughters, whoever. This is Barbie's parlor. Her parlor, her bougie parlor. She's got her easel and her paintings she's working on, and these are her work that she has been. Yeah, this girl hustles. She's got lots of hobbies and she's got lots of jobs. So we're gonna have a lot of interesting things in this house. And on this side, and I didn't want the whole house pink, globs of pink. So I definitely have different colors, but with like a lot of pink accents everywhere. So this is a blue kitchen, really cute. Pink fridge, coffee pot, microwave, cute little knickknacks here and there. Then we go into this room, bring this wall down. And this is a slash pantry. All these cute little knickknacks, ketchup, mustard, tea, cookie jar, spice rack, bread box. And these are treats for animals, and so on and so forth. And the other side is for a laundry room. And there's some towels and some detergent, so that's cute. And then next to that, it's just a cute little pink dining room table with chairs and a nice window. And of course, you gotta have, a shelf with all the collars and stuff for your pets. Even though I don't know where she's gonna walk them in San Myshuno. So let's go over to the back side. Okay. And on this side, there is an office slash library, den, whatever you want to call it. There are 6 counters with computers on them and stools, so Barbie's friends can come over and they can all play Sims 4 with each other like dorks, like we all do. Cute little fish tank. I don't have any fish in there yet. And there is just a desk full of stuff. There are pencils, scissors, quill pen, some mail. I guess she's writing a book. She's got some books on this side. And the little game right here. Then the next room I have, just a cozy little living room. Cute bookcase, fireplace, 2 chairs with matching ottomans, cute little rug. I did all the rooms myself as well. I didn't copy off of any room in any of the lots, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Cute little sofa that matches everything else, and a TV. So this is just a cozy living room, not official. Not official. Know what that means. But here's the theater with a big screen. And I don't know exactly where these little martini glasses are, but I think that they're really cute, and they're just lights. I guess you can't really tell during the day, the lights and everything. So, got these cute little purple chairs and the rug, and just a nice little kitchenette with ice cream maker and popcorn maker. So yeah, so this concludes the first floor. Now let's get moving to the second. Oh, first floor also outside there's a clothesline to hang up some clothes. Cute little karaoke area. There's a jukebox and a flower arranging station and just some other stuff. This right here, I'll show you what that is when I'm all done. Okay, let's go. Second floor is a huge toddler suite. The whole floor, the whole half. And this is the girls' side, obviously, and this is the boys' side. And they have cute little bathrooms that are similar. The only thing that is different is, obviously, the boys have a blue toilet, the girls have a pink. So that's really, really cute. You know, there is stranger danger in SimWorld, in SimLand. And instead of putting this playground where it should go, like right next to the house on the bottom, I put it on the second floor. Just keep the kiddos safe. They're going to be up here anyway. They're going to want to play up here. And especially before they learn to walk, they will love just coming out here and playing. And then on the other side, sorry for the vertigo people, there is a cute little baby's room. Some rooms have like very minimal details because I just got so sick of doing it after a while. That's a baby's room. This is a child's room with a cute little desk and a chair over here. There's a bathroom between the two of them. And here is a teen's room. And so yeah, cute little flower details on the wall. A little picture, a little purple kind of mystical picture. Purple lamp, bed, and everything. And here is the bathroom that they share. You know, shower, toilet, bathtub, sink. So yeah, oh no. I showed you the piece of resistance before I was ready. Uh-oh. I was going to say something, but never mind. Third floor is Barbie's bedroom suite with her big closet and everything else. And here is just like some kind of chest that she keeps her jewels in. There's a lounging sofa. And this room right here is the guest bedrooms. The guest bedroom. I'm sorry, y'all. I need some water. My mouth is getting kind of dry. And up here, there's this really kind of cute kitchenette with a barbecue and a place to eat and a place to just lounge and sit down and relax. And on this side, there's a cute little hot tub that Barbie's in. And cute lawn chairs. I love the lawn chairs. They're so cute. And I got some lighting for nighttime. So let's go on to the other side. Well, first there's like an arrow right here. And the walls and the floor are black with white spots. And there's a little sauna right here that she could just go from the sauna to the hot tub and back really quick. And notice the sauna and the hot tub are close to the bed. And then here's a closet with a big armoire so they can make out in. I'm going to get really close. And then I'm going to turn you around. And this is the big master suite closet. Huge master suite closet. This is Barbie's side. This is Ken's side. And I didn't even realize they have like these little boxes that you can get. These little tiny boxes that they can stand on, and either, I don't know if they can just, somebody else can dress them or do a fashion show, but I thought that was really cool. A little painting over here. And what I did with the shoe racks is I just pressed the Alt button and that little half square button, and I made them bigger. So yeah, and I got some lights here. Looks really, really cute. Okay, now back to this side. And here is the top floor. Top floor is a huge gym. Bathroom behind that wall right there. With some exercise machines. Got some treadmills with a TV. You know, a punching bag. Some yoga mats just for all that stuff. And then the next room is my favorite room in the whole entire house. I love it. This is, y'all, this is the spa. This is a cute little register right here and some little lights. I have 2 massage tables with some tranquility, flowers and light and candles and all that good stuff. And here is a spot where you sit down and get your feet rubbed. And right here is the salon. And you can do your hair, you can do somebody else's hair and makeup in these chairs. So really, really cute. And I loved how I kind of put that together. That's really cute. And there's some lights right here above the mirrors. The problem with the 4th floor was that there's no ceiling to it, so I had a hard time trying to find lights that would look good in here. More of possibly Barbie's artwork, who knows? Really, really nice in here. And then right here is a doctor's office. They've got each their little exam table. They've got robes. They've got an IV set up. They have those annoying overhead lights that blind you when people take your temp in the middle of the night. And cute little shades. And some chairs to wait. A desk with some books and the certificate. So, wow. I'm so excited! I love, love, love this room. And then, the only thing I hate about mirrors, so I'm probably going to take them off the bathroom, is that when you go to make the walls come down, the windows stay up. So here's the locker room. Here are the lockers, and here are 2 sinks, and here are 2 showers, and all the way on the end of that somewhere is a little toilet. And then we come over to the pool area with a huge rainbow on top. And on this side, there are some more lawn chairs, some tables with towels, and more lockers right there. I got to move that over a little bit. It's to match that side. And there's some, let me put up, there we go. There we go. These are big lights. They probably will look really good at nighttime. Blue, black, and then there's like a white colored one over here. This is just a spot of some rain coming down, really nice and tranquil and stuff like that. And here, obviously, there's 2, my gosh, I've been in The Sims for so long. What are they called? Diving things, whatever they're called. And there's a little kitchenette for entertaining. There's like that little tray for drinks and stuff. And then I thought that just to put a cute little rainbow on top would make everything come together. So that, y'all, is Barbie's mansion or Barbie's dream home. It took a long time to put everything together. Many hours I sat here because I'm such a nerd and I love it. One more thing. You know how in the Sims game, when you're going to put out one of those little dollhouses, one of those dollhouses has 2 towers on both sides or on all sides. And that's what I did. I put a tower on that side and a tower on that side to make it look really, really cute. And also on the sides of the house, there are 4 levels. And on each level, there are different color of the shimmer paper. There's the mint green, there's the yellow, there's the soft purple, and there's the dark green. So I am so happy with this build. It is already up on the gallery, and let's just see. I'm going to pause you for a second. I have 30 seconds left, and this is what my house looks like in the gallery of The Sims 4. This is my name. Look me up on that right there. And I have other houses like the Cullen house from Twilight, Bella and Charlie's house. I got Barbie and the Rockers up there. So thank you so much for watching. Go check this out. And there's already been, since last night at like 12 o'clock, 7 downloads. That's awesome. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.